I think Sundays is a good time for just sitting down and just getting your journal out and think, right, okay, what am I going to plan for the week? So often when I'm working with clients and they think, right, I need to have fruit and vegetables, they tend to think, oh, I'm going to go all in and just have tons of fruit and vegetables every day. And sometimes it's not sustainable, because if you're not used to having that amount, it can get a bit overwhelming. You think, oh God, I haven't had them today. Oh, that's it. I'm just going to give up. So my goal for you really is just to think, okay, so I know that I'm meant to be eating more fruit and vegetables. So what I'm going to do is I only normally have about three. So maybe I'm just going to focus on this week. I'm going to have four. Just add an extra vegetable or add an extra piece of fruit. Or if you just think, oh, I always have the same or the same colours, think, right, okay, I'm going to try and find a different colour and just build it up like that.